In this video, we will discuss some frequent asked questions that we receive about concrete lifting. First question we receive is, can sidewalks be lifted with polyurethane foam? The answer is yes. We work with homeowners, homeowner associations, cities and townships to lift and level their sinking concrete and eliminate trip hazards. Another question that we receive is, how long does it take? Well, it takes our crews anywhere between an hour to 8 hours to lift concrete, depending on the size and how much lift needs to be done. But rest assured, when we leave, you can use that sidewall. And the third question is what are the benefits of concrete lifting? Well, it's half the price of replacement. There's no downtime, so you're able to use the sidewalk right away. You don't have to wait a couple of days for it to dry. You don't have equipment in your neighborhood running around creating safety issues. And it's a pretty cool process to watch. So come on out, check it out.